Buju Banton is one of the most influential figures in reggae and dancehall music, known for his deep, raspy voice and thought-provoking lyrics. From the early 1990s to the present, he has captivated audiences with his powerful messages of love, unity, and resilience. If you enjoy reggae music and want to stay updated on your favorite artists, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Today, we'll explore Buju Banton's lifestyle, personal life, and net worth. Lifestyle. Buju Banton, born Mark Anthony Myrie on July 15, 1973, in Kingston, Jamaica, has a lifestyle deeply influenced by Rastafarian beliefs and Jamaican culture. Unlike many musicians who embrace material wealth and flashy displays, Buju leads a more spiritual and grounded life. His Rasta faith promotes peace, love, and conscious living, which is reflected in his music and daily habits. Buju prefers a natural lifestyle, often advocating for plant-based diets and holistic well-being. He is known to enjoy Jamaican ital food, which is free from processed ingredients and aligns with Rastafarian principles. His fashion style is simple yet distinctive, often consisting of earth-tone clothing, dreadlocks, and traditional Rasta attire. Since his return to Jamaica in 2018 after his prison sentence, Buju has focused on music, philanthropy, and personal growth. He owns several properties in Jamaica, where he enjoys the peace and quiet of nature. He is also involved in farming, promoting self-sufficiency and sustainability as part of his commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Personal life. Buju Banton was raised in a large family in Salt Lane, Kingston, where he developed a passion for music at a young age. Inspired by reggae legends like Bob Marley and Buju Banton, he quickly rose to fame in the 1990s with hits like Boom Bye, Champion, and Wanna Be Loved. Despite his success, Buju has faced major challenges, including his controversial imprisonment in the United States. In 2011, he was convicted of drug-related charges and sentenced to 10 years in prison. However, after serving 7 years, he was released in 2018 and made a triumphant return to music. Buju is a father to multiple children, and while he keeps his romantic relationships private, he is known to be a dedicated family man. His release from prison was met with widespread support from fans and fellow musicians, proving his enduring influence in the music world. Net worth. Buju Banton has built an impressive career spanning over 3 decades, earning an estimated net worth of $2 million to $5 million as of 2024. His wealth comes from album sales, live performances, endorsements, and business ventures. His Grammy-nominated album, Upside Down 2020, marked his strong return to the industry, while streaming platforms like Spotify and YouTube continue to generate significant income from his classic hits. Despite past struggles, Buju remains a legend in reggae music, proving that true talent and resilience can overcome any obstacle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite reggae artists.